Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jess. If you're new, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for finding me, and also thank you for coming back if you're a returning subscriber. Also, if you're new to the channel, do think about subscribing. We have a lot of fun around here. I do a lot of drugstore makeup, foundation reviews like this one, eyeshadow reviews. So yeah, stick around, it's a fun time. Foundation review is the Maybelline Dream Urban cover. I actually have two because a while ago I picked up this one, which is the shade Classic Ivory, which is what I normally am in Maybelline's range, but it's way too dark for me, which I didn't realize at the time because these days you can't get testers to test out what shade you are. But the other day Kohl's had Maybelline half off, so I picked up this one in Porcelain, and I'm excited to give it a go because I've heard really good things about it, and I do love doing a wear test, like first impressions demo on a new foundation. So it mightn't be new now in the YouTube world, but it's new to me. I paid $13 half price. Now it says, I need my glasses because I can't see. It says full coverage, lightweight protective makeup. This formula is enriched with antioxidants and it helps protect skin from environmental oppressors. No, aggressors. I still can't read. It's got SPF 40 broad spectrum and anti-pollution. So I'm always the believer that you still need sunscreen. I wouldn't actually just go on a foundation alone. This is a pretty good broad spectrum amount. So you can see I've jumped out the shower. My hair is still a bit wet. Hopefully by the end of the video it's dried. But yeah, we're gonna give this a go. I like that it's in a little tube. So let's jump right into this, shall we? Alright, so you can see my face at the moment. I do have redness. I have a little bit of discoloration. I'm using skincare that's actually helping the pigmentation of that at the moment. But yeah, overall, my skin's not too bad. It's just mainly redness that I want to cover up. With it being full coverage, I'm excited that this will be good because Maybelline foundations are usually pretty good. I like the little tube nozzle. That's the consistency. Like, it's decently thick. It is yellow toned by the looks of it. I have primed. It's blending out nice. I never usually have issues with Maybelline foundations. I do have issues with foundation coming off around my nose and my chin, so we're going to see if that does that with this one. But so far it's good coverage. It's definitely building up to be a full coverage. It's not instantly full coverage like the Natio one. I do like to bounce or stipple this brush over when I've buffed the first layer in. Alright, so that was maybe about 1.5 pumps worth on that side. But it's definitely built up to be full coverage. I'll do the other side. But I do like the way that it blends. It's a good color match. See how it's not full coverage instantly on my skin, whereas the Natio one was instantly full coverage. Like you can still see skin peeking through, which is fine. I just like a bit more coverage when it does claim full coverage, but you can build it up, which is good. It does feel really lightweight on the skin as well, and I like how it's smooth. It's made the under eyes look. So that's basically 2 layers done, and I think it looks quite nice on the skin. I wouldn't say that it's undetectable because you can obviously see that I'm wearing makeup, but it does look quite nice. It's very smoothing. I might add a little bit more because I still see some redness peeking through. Alright, I'll come back with my full face of makeup done, my initial thoughts, and then I'll do wear tests throughout the day. I just wanted to pop on before I finished my makeup because I've just powdered with the BYS full coverage powder. I really like how it looks. It's looking very smooth, very polished looking. It feels nice on the skin too now that it's been set, and it wasn't tacky, I don't think, when it wasn't set either. It just felt nice. Okay, so I've got the foundation on and the rest of my makeup layered on it really nicely. I think it looks really nice with the rest of the makeup on. It definitely is full coverage. You can build it up to be full coverage. It looks super smooth, doesn't look cakey or patchy. Blends around my problem areas really easily because I do not normally have issues around my nose. And it's covered up my redness quite well and the discoloration. So yeah, it's about 10 AM in the morning at the moment that I'm filming this, so I will do my first check-in probably around 1ish. See how that goes. Okay, it's now 1 o'clock. You're the right shade. No, you're the dark one. I still have good thoughts about this foundation. It's still looking really nice on. It hasn't separated or gone weird. I still feel like, because I do have a little bit of acne there, and it's picked it up a little bit than some of my other foundations, but I still think it looks quite flawless. Good colour, wearing quite nice, and I do touch my face quite often and it's not transferred, so I am happy about that. And it's still looking really good underneath my eyes, because I don't like it when they go dry and burnt because of makeup. But yeah, this is the first check-in. Quite happy with how it's all looking. I'll check in probably about 7ish. That'll be a 9-hour wear test, I hope. I've done my maths right. I can't maths at the best of time. But yeah, I'll check in then. If you're wondering about my hair still looking wet, I've actually got product in it because I do that before I straighten it. So I know it's been 9 hours, but my hair is dry. It's just got product in it for when I straighten it later on tonight. But yeah, I'm actually really happy with this foundation, much happier with this shade than that one. I'll do swatch comparisons because this one is so much darker. Like, I would like to know how that one is classic ivory, and that's the bottom one. The porcelain one is on the top. And classic ivory, as I said, with Maybelline is usually my shade. Because normally if I go porcelain, they're a bit pinky on me, but this one's actually quite fair. And as you can see, it hasn't rubbed off, it hasn't done anything weird. The makeup's still looking really good, and I've been doing chores, cooking, fed the cats, fed the birds, because I'm the crazy animal lady here. But yeah, overall, for how much did we get in this? You need 20 mil, no, 30 mil. This is why I need glasses at the best of times. For 30 mil, $13, I'm actually quite happy with how this all wears. It blends out really well. But yeah, if you're slightly darker than me, maybe you can get classic ivory to work. But I think maybe next time I'll mix a little bit of classic ivory because it is quite fair. And I'm never complaining about a foundation being too fair because that rarely happens. So yeah, I actually quite like it. It looks very smoothing. I think this one's a winner. Definitely smooths all on the here. I do have dehydration lines. It looks good, especially for me with having textured skin. Yeah, I like. Definitely get it when on sale. So, if you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. I'll leave the foundation first impressions playlist down below, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye.